Okay, so I got my CK 3510 out here, and I got my Grapple. I've seen some people post that their Grapple can't even pull small trees, and you'd be surprised at how strong a tree is in the ground. So I'm gonna try to demonstrate taking this tree out of the ground, roots and all. There's a lot of other trees around it right here, so it may be too many roots to actually get it to break free, but I'm gonna give it a try. What I normally do is I come in with my Grapple about a foot or two from the tree. You try to get near the edge of the root line, and I'm gonna dig in and lift. Now the tractor's not gonna be able to lift that, but what I do is where my teeth are turned backwards on my Grapple, I'm gonna back up while still creating lift and try to pop some of these roots around the edge. Once I get a few pushed or popped, I can come up and I can push the tree from the top and it'll snap it loose onto the ground. And then I can take the Grapple and push it the rest of the way out of the ground. And this is another reason why I like the dual lid. If you notice here, let me try and get up here on the tractor. The tree will go right in between them. When I am pushing and digging in and everything, the tree will actually be in between the two lids. So that actually helps also. I've never used a single lid, but I'd imagine the way I'm pulling trees that create a little bit of an issue. So we're gonna give this a try and see what happens.